There we go. Closet. Another room about the same size. Mirrored sort of thing. Bathroom. Oh no. There's a little sort of outside area. Yeah, the dog would like this. Oh yes. Is that an avocado tree? I don't know. Yeah.
We'll have a gardener too, so you don't have to worry about it.
It comes with a gardener.
Yeah.
Just have a look at that. Oh, then this goes straight into the kitchen.
Yep.
Oh, and it comes with white goods as well. That's great. And this is electric oven, electric.
I think it is.
All electric. Yeah, it looks like it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And a fridge, huge American fridge.
Yeah.
Brilliant. And a chandelier.